Hello guys, welcome back. Still on dinner options. Today we're having a platter which is plant-based with some slices of bread with groundnuts, blended groundnuts, and healthy fat option which is the avocado. Now this is very intentional. As you can see, I have my plant-based protein which is beans and bananas and some tomato. This is to help us increase our Tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid which is very key in helping our body secrete serotonin and melatonin, which is a very good form of neurotransmitter which helps us to have adequate sleep, deep quality sleep. So if you're struggling with sleeping, if you're looking for an option to take which is healthy, rich in fiber, this is a go-to. Give it a shot and let me know. Trust me, this is colorful, healthy, and quite tasty. And you can also brew your strawberry, raspberry, and have it all gulped down. This is a drink which is very rich in antioxidants with a touch of lemon in it. Thank you guys for watching. To have a fun-filled night, and let me know your comments and what you added and what you did not add to your own platter. Good night. Enjoy your dinner. Bye. Thank you guys for the views and the likes. I see all the love. Thank you for subscribing. Please share. Bye.